All right, here we go. Day number 2. Starting out early this morning. Not real early. It's about 10:30. The sun finally came up. Getting a little warmer. Here's where we're at. Stopped yesterday. We got, let's see, we got that downpipe out. We're taking this downpipe out now. Got the plug wires off this one. Let's see, I'm going to pull the manifold in the turbo first. Then I'm going to slide the downpipe out as one piece. I think that'd be the easiest way. That way I don't have to put those slip fits together again. Got the oil lines off, oil drains off. We're going to take the radiator out, take the serpentine out, all the accessories, get the intake manifold off. Then we'll start taking the plug wires out, get the damper off, drop the front drive shaft, and then we should be able to pull the fuel injectors and start disassembling the motor. Hopefully get the heads off today. Alrighty, we got the headers off, got the turbos out, see the steering shafts out. Here's a good tip for you. When taking a steering shaft out, make sure you mark it. And before you take it out, make sure the steering wheel is locked. If it's not locked, that means that steering wheel can spin and it'll be out of sync. Your clock ring will be wrong. So do that. Get this intercooler pipe out. We'll get the serpentine belt off, the radiator out, and then we'll start taking the rest of the motor out in the front of the motor. Alrighty, we got most of the messy stuff done. Made quite a big mess. It's just coolant, so I'll just wash it down later, rinse it off, and it should dry by morning. Got the radiator out, the radiator hoses, the shroud. Got the AC condenser off. Got the water pump off. Next, we're gonna do the high pressure fuel injectors, the high pressure fuel pump. We'll pull the balancer off, and then we'll drop the oil pan, and then we should be able to get the heads off. Let's take a look up top. Okay. We're gonna leave the AC compressor there. We're gonna just drop it down. We should have plenty of room to get the camshaft out. If we need to, we'll just lift the condenser up. Pull that, the main pulley, the harmonic balancer, get the high pressure oil pump, or high pressure fuel pump out. Pull the valve covers, the rockers, and we'll set you up on a time lapse and we'll get everything going. Alright guys, this is where we're going to stop for the day. Got the crank pulley off. Ended up getting the heads off. Tomorrow we'll pull the oil pan, get the front cover off, pull the camshaft out. Then we'll pull the pistons and rods out. Everything looks good. It's dirty, of course. 87,000 miles. Everything came apart pretty easy. We'll continue tomorrow. Got a little bit of a mess down here, just got some coolant that I need to flush. I'll just run some hot water down it, flush it out, and then we'll go from there. Got to pull the drive shaft, and then we'll pull the oil pan down. We dropped the steering down. Since it's got electric steering, we dropped that down, got everything routed, and tomorrow should be pretty quick.
Oh, would you look at that?
Put that
just
on.
Look at that.
I can't pull it out either. I'd have to drill it.
Would you just look at it?
Yeah, it's set. It's the only mark.
I mean, just look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, just get a look at that.
A cop did that.
A cop. Oh, where is he? I'd like to look at him.
Yeah, I went over and tried to fight it.
Yeah.
They told me we're not required to post warnings here in New Jersey.
Oh, would you look at that?